Hi, my name is Melanie, and I will be covering what I learned from Chapter 11 of our textbook. Chapter 11 of our text focuses on the critical steps of reconciliation and forming a final value opinion. These steps bring together all of the appraiser's research, data analysis, and professional judgment to determine the most credible value for a property. The chapter shows how appraisers evaluate different value indicators and weigh the strengths of each appraisal approach. Overall, this chapter highlights why reconciliation is essential to creating a reliable and well-supported appraisal report. Another key concept from Chapter 11 is the definition and purpose of reconciliation. Reconciliation is the process of analyzing the data and reasoning that went into the value indicators in order to arrive at a single indication of value. The chapter explains that the appraiser must analyze differences among comparable properties, different unit of comparisons, and other appraisal techniques. This process ensures that the final opinion is not based on simple averaging, but a thoughtful analysis and sound judgment. Another key concept is assessing reliability of value indicators. The chapter explains the amount of data, the level of accuracy, and the relevance of the indicator to the appraisal problem. This section emphasizes that professional reasoning is what guides appraisal's final decision. A third major concept is the importance of forming a final opinion of value. The chapter describes how appraisers use tools such as the Uniform Residential Appraisal Report to present their conclusions clearly and professionally. It also discusses point estimates, range values, and rounding. The chapter stresses that the final value must reflect the most credible interpretation of market data and ensure the data is easily understandable and the work can pass a critical review. In summary, Chapter 11 teaches that reconciliation and forming a final value opinion are essential parts of a credible real estate appraisal. This chapter shows how appraisers combine data, quality, accuracy, and relevance to determine which valuation approach should be emphasized. I learned a lot from this chapter, and I can apply these concepts in the future.